day, everyone. I am Melanie V. Hernandez, a third-year student of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Mathematics. Today, I am here to show you how to compute students' grades using Microsoft Excel based on the K-12 education grading system of DepEd. So, for this demonstration, I will compute the grades of 5 students from grade 10 Perseverance. So the components with equivalent percentage included are written works with 40% and performance tasks with 40%, and for the quarterly assessment is 20%. Now, first, we already have the scores of the students here in every components. Yan, as you can see, meron ng scores in every components. So, let us start by getting the total score of the written works, together with their corresponding percentage or weights. Ayan. So, to do this, just click here, the cell G, and then equals, then type sum, open parenthesis, then click from the written work 1 until the written work 5, and then close in parenthesis, enter, and repeat the process. So after getting the total scores, let us now compute the percentage score or PS of the students. So the formula for percentage score is equals to the student's score divided by the highest possible score multiplied by 100. So equals, then open parenthesis, then for example here is the highest score divided by the highest score, close in parenthesis, times 100. So, ayan. Yeah. So, now we already have the percentage score. So, the formula of computing the weighted score is just equals, then the percentage score multiply to this component weight. So, kapag kinonvert natin sa decimal point, yung 40% is 0.4. Then, ayan, meron na tayong result ng weighted score. Just repeat the process. process, multiply by 0.4. Ayan, meron na tayong weighted score ng 5 students. Multiply to 0.4. Enter. Okay, the same procedure is also applied to computing the performance task score of 5 students. So we compute the total score, the percentage score, and the weighted score using the same formulas and process. Now, let's proceed to compute the initial grade. So how? In computing the initial grade, we are just going to add all the weighted score from these 3 components. So first, don't forget always to click the equal sign. And then, written weighted score for the students, plus, click the weighted score from the performance task, and then the quarterly assessment weighted score, then equals. Now we have the initial grade. So, to get the final grade, we will refer to the transmutation table provided in the DepEd grading system. So, the equivalent value in the transmutation table will become the student's final grade. Okay, let's see, let's find out if what is the equivalent of this initial grade. 80.91 80.91 80.80 to 82.39. So it means it is in between with the 80.80 to 82.39. So it is equivalent to 88%. Next is 82.69. 82.69. 89. Next, 80.24. 80.24. So, nandito siya sa 79 to 20 to 80.79. 87. Next is 85.72. 85.72. 85.72. Here. 91. It's equivalent to 91. Last is 87.81. 87.81. Nandito siya. Sa in between 87.20 to 88.79. So it means it is equivalent to 92. So the transmuted grade is 92. So ayan, meron na tayong initial grade and final grade. And that is how to compute students' grades. So using Microsoft Excel, of course, and based on the K-12 basic education grading system. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned with my demonstration and computing the grades of the learners or students.